There's no limit to the amount of money you can make when it comes to forex trading. You heard it right. There's no limit to the amount of money you can make when it comes to trading the forex market. But we all have a thing, we all have a challenge, we all have a problem when it comes to forex trading. And that is the reason why not everyone is profitable. And that same reason is the reason why not everyone wants to trade the forex market. Regardless of the fact that we all know that forex trading is very, very, very what? Lucrative. And that is why I'm here to find what? A lasting solution to this particular problem that we all have, that we're all facing. Why most traders are losing and why people are not ready to what? Dive right into forex trading. So in this video, I'll be talking about two things. Number one is that I know for free that not everyone trading the forex market is profitable. So I know the emotion, I know the pain, I know the pain that comes with forex trading. So I know what most of you might be thinking right now. Some of you are at the point of giving up. Some of you have lost a whole lot of money and you wish to give up, or you wish you never started trading in the first place. So I'm here to let you know that it is okay to feel that way. If you are feeling that, if you are whatever you are feeling right now, I want to let you know that it is okay to feel that way. You know why it is okay to feel that way, to feel the way you feel right now? It's because it is what makes you a trader. If you cannot pass through this process, if you cannot pass through this pain, they say that for every pain, there is gain. For you to be profitable, you must pass through this process. Why? Because I passed through it myself. And here I am right now, trading so profitably and comfortably. There was a time in my life, even before I started trading, I gave someone my money, a trader, who promised to give me a return on investment every 3 months, 100%. So the deal was that at the end of every 3 months, I was supposed to receive 100% of the money I invested, but never saw any return on investment. So I literally gave him my money and he blew the account and gave me stories. So instead of giving me return on investment, which is 300, which is 100%, he gave me stories. And that was the reason why I decided to go forward to learn it myself. Now, in the process of learning this trade, I saw the good, the bad, and the ugly. If you cannot go through what you're going through right now, there's no reason why you should be called a trader. There's no reason why you should ever be profitable. So your profitability or you becoming a profitable trader is literally based on the experience you acquire in the process of becoming profitable. I don't know if that makes sense to you. So if you are at a point of deciding to quit forex right now, don't. If you're tired of losing money, don't. Why? Because at the end of this video, if you're able to watch this video from the beginning to the end, you will be able to find what the problem is with your trading strategy and peradventure fix that problem. Like I said before, after I lost the money I gave to a trader to trade for me, which he promised to give me 100% after every 3 months. It's called return on investment. So return on investment was supposed to be 100% of what I gave to him. Now he came back, instead of giving me the 100% of what I gave to him, what he gave me was stories. And this is the reason why I said no. If there is anything like trading, I was going to what? Learn it myself. Now in the process of learning it, is the reason why I'm able to understand what you're going through. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So the problem I had when I started trading the forex was I didn't have a mentor. So the number one problem you will have as a trader, as a newbie, is the lack of a mentor. If you lack a mentor, it will require about 4 good years or more or less. Depends on your approach to the market. So it will take you a while before you're able to understand what the market is doing. And in the process of you learning, you're going to lose a whole lot of money. You definitely have to lose a whole lot of money. So number one problem is what? The lack of a mentor. I need you to, in this video, go to the description of this video. There's a link there where I literally talked about 6 secrets to forex trading. I believe that this 6 secrets to forex trading, if you're able to apply it, you definitely will solve 95% of your problem. So after watching that video, I believe you will find a lasting solution to what your problem has been all along. What was I doing wrong when I started trading? What was I doing wrong when I started trading? Number one was I was trading I was doing my analysis on a lower time frame. So doing your analysis on a lower time frame, you are not able to see the overall direction of the market. So it took me time to learn that doing your analysis, your technical analysis on a smaller time frame is going to end up blowing your account. It took me time to learn that. If you are doing your technical analysis using a smaller time frame right now, I need you to change that. And after I've done my analysis, I'll place my stop loss and place my take profit. Sometimes the trade will never get to my take profit. It rather hit my stop loss before going to my direction. And sometimes the market will not even go to my direction. It will hit my stop loss and go opposite my forecast. The title of this video says, how forex trading kept me in the forest for 4 years. Keeping me in the forest for 4 years was the challenges I passed through before I am where I am right now. Just like the topic of this video says, how forex trading kept me in the forest for 4 years. So I was literally left in the forest for 4 years. And the forest I'm talking about is not forex trading this time around. I'm talking about the challenges I went through, the challenges I had to go through before getting to where I am today. So I want to relate with you using this video. So I need you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. And I believe that at the end of this video, you are definitely going to pick 1, 2, or 3 things to add to the way you were trading before that will definitely improve the way you see the market and give you another perspective, a different view about the market. There are also sometimes I will be in small profits and I will want to hold to where it hits my take profit. But the market will do what? Go back to my stop loss, hit my stop loss, and come back and continue in that same direction. So I saw everything and it was so frustrating. So like I said, for 4 years, I've been battling with trading the forex market and I lost a whole lot of money. There was a time I even had to, the whole money I had, I gathered everything, bought a challenge, a profit account with the last money I had because I thought I had improved in forex trading. They will definitely get to a point you thought you've improved. You thought you now have the code. Ladies and gentlemen, dear forex traders, it was not long, I also blew the account. And after I blew the account, literally tears rolled down my cheek. Like I've ever cried because forex beats me up. After losing that profit account, which was the last money I had on me, literally tears rolled down my cheek. There was nowhere to run to. I had to return to what I was doing before. I was now doing some mini job for people just to earn a living. So literally, forex broke my heart, broke me till I became a broke man. So there is nothing that you are going through right now that I have not gone through. Time will not permit me to start spilling. Time will not permit me to start spilling everything that I went through in forex. So I've seen it all. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. I've seen it all. I've cried because of forex. Until very recently, where I developed a strategy that has been proven to be profitable because I've used it to recover all the money I lost this year. I've used this strategy to recover all the money. And this strategy, I call it billionaire mindset. So this strategy I'm talking about is a strategy that have literally changed my life and changed the way I see the market, changed my perspective about the market, and it's now making me money as if it was a miracle. So I want to explain how this strategy works. Using this strategy, I move over to the monthly time frame where I look for the direction of the market. If I'm able to anticipate or get the direction of the market using the monthly time frame, let's say the market is heading south. I therefore use the weekly time frame to look for the structure of the market. The structure of the market tells me, since the market is in a downtrend, the weekly time frame should be able to give me lower lows and lower highs. Now, after I've been able to determine that or to spot that out, I therefore move to the daily time frame. In that daily time frame, I'm able to build confluences. I'm able to build a confluences or find an area of interest. And that area of interest is where my psychological level is where my trend line is where my resistance is where my moving average is. Like that is, I must find about 2 to 3 things within that area of interest to allow me sell the market. Now, go to the description of this video. You'll find a link that where I talked about how to analyze the chart like a pro, or how to read the chart like a pro. Now, literally, this channel has come to stay because I am here to help you understand the market. I'm here to make you make sense of the market, or rather, I'm here to make the market make sense to you. So all you need to do right now is to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, so as soon as I release any interesting videos like this, you'll be the first person to what? Get the video. Like and comment in the comment section. So go to the description of this video and you'll find a link of a video where I talked about 6 secrets to forex trading. I believe that with all these videos put together and with me uploading interesting videos like this on a weekly basis or 2 times in a week, I believe that your forex story is definitely going to change.